And it looks like he is setting down another hatchery. He is trying to stay in, but he needs to get this harass off in order to expand again. And if this harass is unsuccessful, I mean, a lot. The thing about TVZ mid game is that a lot rides on this mid-game Mutalisk harass, especially if we're seeing a standard game like we are here. And we see this all the time. If the Mutalisk harass is successful, the Zerg player will just be able to pick up just an indomitable lead in the mid-game. Whereas if the Terran player is able to hold off the Mutalisks, they'll be in a strong economic position to just sort of steamroll over the Zerg player's expansions and just take the game from them. It looks like Hyuk is setting down an evolution chamber, so we aren't going to be seeing a straight Spire build. Is to be expected. He's going to be switching to a more standard ground game. He does have a Hydralisk den up. I suspect we'll be seeing Lurkers very soon, which is the proper counter to Medic Marine. And it's going to be a very standard TVZ game. We're not seeing a factory build from Iris, which I'm kind of glad we're not seeing that. I really don't think the factory build can certainly be effective against Zerg, but I don't think it's the wisest choice. I think the Terran player is better served by going Medic Marine, as we are seeing here. These Medic Marines are putting up a fight against these Mutalisks. The Mutalisks are picking off a couple Marines at a time, but I don't think it's going to deter this attack force of, oh, and Hyuk's messing up there, losing a Mutalisk or two to the Marine fire, and that really is inexcusable. Mutalisk harass, successful Mutalisk harass requires just excellent Mutalisk control, and so many Zerg players have the excellent Mutalisk control that's required, but Hyuk just doesn't. And that's kind of a problem, and it's why we see Hyuk losing so many of these ZVT games. Looks like Iris does have that force of Medic Marines moving in the middle of the map. He's going to try and seize map control, and that's going to be a big deal if he manages to do that, because he's going to plant his foot firmly in Hyuk's mouth, so to speak, and Hyuk is going to be the one who's forced to react to it. And really, that's not what you want happening. The Zerg player does not want to be reacting to it. Well, not only Zerg, I mean, in any matchup, you do not want to be reacting to what your opponent does. Generally, that's a bad position to be in. I feel that the player who takes a more aggressive role, who takes, it looks like Iris losing an SCV at that expansion point there to those Mutalisks. But what that's going to do, Iris is going to see those Lurkers. He's going to know what's coming. He does have comsat stations long since ready, but critically he doesn't have any science vessels. And he was getting his starport up last time I checked, but I hadn't seen any sort of science facility going down, and I don't feel this is the wisest move. He is going to push those Lurkers back of Iris, but Hyuk's. And Hyuk actually might be in a little trouble here. He loses all of his Lurkers to this Medic Marine force, and that's kind of bad news. He should not be losing those Lurkers en masse like that without any science vessels on his opponent's side of the field. And what Hyuk really needs to do, Hyuk needs some Zerglings in addition. He needs some Zerglings with those Lurkers, and he needs to keep the Mutalisk harass up. He is going to attack these tanks here. I'm not sure how effective that's going to be in the long run, though. He hasn't gotten any SCVs with his Mutalisk harass, and I can't help but feel that Hyuk's Mutalisk harass in general has been a complete failure. And what that means is that Hyuk has basically lost the sort of mid-game battle against Iris. And that means Iris has been able to build up this Medic Marine force largely uncontested. He's going to have science vessels soon. It looks like Hyuk knows that. Hyuk is teching to Hive. But again, Hyuk is only on 3 bases right now, and whereas Iris is on 2, but a 2-base Terran is usually quite comfortable facing against 3-base Zerg. And Hyuk is really going to need to put the pressure on Iris in order to expand a 3rd time. And he needs to expand a 3rd time, and that's exactly, Hyuk knows it, and he's going in for an attack at Iris's main base. That bunker may go down. There's a lot of Lurkers. Those Lurkers aren't burrowing. The Lurkers do burrow finally. and it looks like that bunker is going to get taken down. Iris actually might be in a little trouble here. He has forced his position on the ramp. I don't think Hyuk is going to be able to break the ramp. I feel that Hyuk would be it would be smarter on Hyuk's part in order to focus on those SCVs down at Iris's natural expansion rather than moving into Iris's main. Iris's actually main is in a lot of trouble right now. He's losing a lot of medic marines there. He lost his siege tanks. It looks like he did manage to clean up Iris's forces, and I feel that Hyuk made a tactical error there. I feel that Hyuk would have been better served by burrowing those lurkers in the middle of the SCV line and Iris's natural expansion, because he would have been able to destroy most, if not all, of those SCVs, and that would have given him the window of opportunity he would have needed in order to pick up that third expansion that's going to be so critical. Because he wasn't able to do that, we're seeing science vessels out in the field, and Hyuk doesn't have those defilers yet. He is morphing his defiler mount, so he is going to have defilers soon, but I'm just not sure if he has the economic capacity to take this medic marine force head on, this SK Terran build, because we do see this nice defense matrix on that marine there, very nicely done by Iris, and this is what's going to happen. Iris is just going to be able to walk in here with these medic marines in this science vessel. These Zerglings are not going to be affected. These Zerglings and Hydralisks are just going to get slaughtered without Dark Swarm. And that's going to be a problem. Although it looks like Iris might have overstepped his bounds a little here. He might have misjudged or misgauged this attack a little bit. He's actually forced to pull these medic marines back and make a stand here in the middle of the map. His offensive is going to fail, and I feel this was a tactical error on Iris's part, and now Iris is losing a lot of stuff at his natural expansion. He lost his refinery, and Hyuk might actually be turning this game around. It's a bit early to see, but this may be exactly what Hyuk needed in order to pick up that third expansion. And we'll have to see where both players go from here. I still don't feel that Hyuk has the necessary, and Hyuk is now putting an Ultralisk cavern down as well, but he has a lot of tech down, but I just don't feel that Hyuk has the economy to sustain that sort of tech in the build he's playing. And critically, Iris losing a science vessel there, and that is a big deal. The Terran, if you are going medic marine, you cannot lose those science vessels, because those science vessels are just so critical to the builds you want to go. Looks like Iris is just walking into Hyuk's base unopposed. That Spire is going to get taken down, and if Hyuk isn't careful, this might be GG right here. I'm not sure where Hyuk's army is, but Hyuk is going to lose his main base right now. That Ultralisk cavern is going to go down as soon as it's gone up. That's going to be a huge waste of resources for Hyuk, and even if Hyuk does manage to clean up this force of medic marines, it's going to be a significant tactical error on his part. And I can't help but feel this has been a huge mistake. Hyuk is unable to clean up this force of medic marines. He's going to lose all of his drones at his main base, and I feel that Hyuk has just Hyuked himself. This game is rapidly falling apart for Hyuk, and yeah, he GG's. So Iris takes his second game in this series, and Hyuk just look at him. Hyuk knows he made a huge mistake. That was a catastrophic error on his part. I'm not sure why he allowed Iris to just waltz into his main base and destroy everything. But, you know, Hyuk is just known to do these sorts of things to himself. And it's unfortunate, but that's the reality of the situation. So Iris is going to move on to face whoever SKT1 throws at him next. We'll have to see who it'll be. Good game, guys. This is Vanel coming at you from the zone. Hope you enjoyed it. See you guys soon. Take care.
선수의 박지현 선수 잡아내고 2대2 스코어를 만들었습니다.